Okay, Mayur, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Good, good. Rishikesh is there. Ritik, Jatin, Rakesh, Shivansh, Yogesh. Okay, guys. Uh, Before we begin, please comment on the turnout of Mayur. Yeah, Yogesh.
Jain sir.
Jain.
Yes sir. Sir, Mayur is looking too smart, but the knot of the tie is not too left to the tight. थोड़ा tight कर लो मयूर इसको. It is looking loose. और बाजू फोल्ड नहीं करनी है, बाजू नीचे करो इनको.
Okay, Jatin.
यस गुड इवनिंग सर. सर अब ठीक है. अब वो शोल्डर को आर्म्स का भी ठीक कर दिया और टाई का नॉट भी ठीक है अब.
Ritik.
Sir, all is proper, sir.
Rishikesh.
Sir,
Lokesh.
Jain sir.
Jain.
Sir, slightly it goes left side, sir. Not proper tie. He's tied, sir.
Okay, Akshay. Okay, tell me, Mayur,
Sir.
where did you get this idea of holding your sleeve with a tie? ये कौन सी ड्रेस में देखा? Unless you have seen Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan doing it.
No, sir. It's not like that. I'm just feeling hot, sir, because of the Bangalore.
The voice is gone, Mayur.
Yeah, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Now better.
Yeah, sir. Because of the weather, it's very humid and very cold, so very hot. That's why I just folded my sleeves. I was just feeling hot, so that's why, sir. It's not something like style or something.
Even if you are feeling hot, this is not the dress regulation, and certainly not of the Indian Armed Forces.
Okay, sir. I will take care of that, sir.
So please make sure that it doesn't happen there.
Sir.
And yes, people have started observing very minute things. There was a bit of a loosening of your knot of your tie, which you have corrected. So dress regulation is something which should be very, very, very particular. And how you learn in the armed forces, when you join an academy, even if there is a bit of a problem, you get 3 extra duties, extra drills. That means Saturdays and Sundays and Wednesdays and Saturdays are half days, and Sunday is a Chutti. So when everybody is relaxing, you are in the drill square being rubbed out by the drill staff. So you make sure that everything is proper.
Sir.
Even if you're wearing stockings, how much should be the stocking overlap? There's something called L stick. You match the overlap of the stocking. Then the garter flashes, how much should they be exposed? You measure the length with the help of L stick, which is supposed to be in your pocket always. So you go to that extent. And when you do that in the academy, yes, you say pagal ho gaya bande. But then that is the requirement. Thereafter, even if you retire from the armed forces and you move out, you will never be appropriated. But this will be in your subconscious mind. Generalization will happen into your mind, and you will never do a wrong thing. Okay?
Sir, yes, sir.
This is that way. Okay. Tell me something about yourself.
Yes, sir. As you know, sir, my name is Mayur Singh Solanki. I am living.
I don't know.
Okay.
How do you know that I know? You said as you know, I don't know.
Sir, maybe you have seen my PIQ. That's why I just mentioned that. Okay, sorry, sir, but okay, my name is Mayur Singh Solanki. I'm currently living in Bangalore, but basically from Chhanyar village, district Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I'm currently studying in 12th in KV MEGN Center as a science stream. In my family, we are 3 members. My father, Mr. Suresh Kumar Solanki, is currently serving in Indian Army, and my mother, she is a homemaker. She cooks delicious food, sir. Sir, my strengths are my friends and my family, and my weaknesses are I'm a person who can't say no to anyone if someone asks help from me. So,
Okay, how did you land on Bangalore from Ahmedabad?
yes, sir. My father is in army, sir. My father previous posting was in NCC battalion, sir. In Karnataka, sir. 39 Karnataka Infantry Battalion NCC. That's why I was here for continuing my 12th standard, sir.
And what's your regiment? What regiment is your father from?
Sir,
Which regiment is your father from?
sir, my father from AC Corps, sir.
This is the last unit.
Sir,
This is the last unit.
sir, my father is currently posted in 29 Infantry Division, sir. Pathankot, Mamoon Camp.
You said your father is from ASC Corps.
Yes, sir.
What is the full form of ASC?
Army Service Corps, sir.
You said your father is from Army Service Corps. Is what you said?
Sir,
You said your father is from ASC Corps.
yes, sir.
That means your father is from Army Service Corps.
No, sir. I mean just Corps, sir. It's ASC, sir. Yeah, Army Service Corps, sir.
Then you said Army Service Corps.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. Sir.
Why did you say that?
Sir, it's like AC is not a unit or regiment. That's why I said it's a corps. To clarify.
ASC means Corps.
Yes, sir.
ASC is Corps.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what does, if it is not a unit or a regiment, what is this? What do you mean by a corps?
Sir, there are different type of corps. I'm not clearly, but I can say that the corps. Sorry, sir, but I don't know about much difference about that, sir. Sorry, sir. I will confirm that and get back to you, sir, as soon as possible, sir.
And you mean to say there is no regiment in ASC?
Sir, there are different units, not regiments, sir. There are different units. There are like 270 AC supply battalion. There are, sir. But they are units. Sir,
How many kind of units are there?
sir, there are two type of A type and G type, sir.
Okay. What is A type?
The A type, I'm not clearly the word, sir. A type is like a small unit or ordinary with supply, sir. Supply.
Okay. You said your mother cooks very delicious food.
Yes, yes, sir.
Tell me one particular cuisine.
Sir, my mother cooks dhokla very well, sir.
Dhokla is Gujarati. You are in Bangalore. Your father is in Pathankot. How does that match?
Sir, I'm from Gujarat now, so I'm continuing my culture and tradition. That's why, sir. Dhokla is my favorite food, sir.
Dhokla is what color is it?
So yellow, sir.
And what is that light yellow thing? What is that called?
Sir, there are two types. It is also called khaman.
Then you said yellow dhokla.
Sir, no. There are two types of dhokla. Basically, people categorize between dhokla, but in dhokla there is another type khaman. Khaman is sweet and dhokla is spicy, sir.
Okay. Good. Have you ever helped your mother in making dhokla?
Yes, sir. I do, sir. I even cook, sir. Sometimes I even cook, sir.
Which are the other delicious things your mother makes?
Sir, my mother cooks very fine dosa, sir. Dosa, idli, chutney, sambar, sir.
What is your favorite dish?
Sir, my favorite dish is paneer, sir. Paneer. I really like paneer.
Which paneer?
Sir, I like kadai paneer best, sir. Kadai paneer is my favorite, sir.
What is the difference between paneer and cheese?
Sir, cheese is full of fat, but paneer, cheese is. I don't know.
What do you call when you're speaking in English or you write a menu in English? What do you
Sir?
write for paneer?
Sir?
Once you're speaking English,
Yes,
or you
sir.
write the menu in English, what do you write for cheese?
So you
Paneer.
are not audible, sir. Sir?
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, sir.
What is the English name for paneer?
Sir, many people write cheese only, but sir, there is some difference between people like write milk cake or something, sir.
Paneer is milk cake.
No, sir. People write as a milk cake, white milk cake.
And what is cheese then?
Even sir, cheese is also a paneer type only, sir. It's made up of milk only.
And what is the difference?
There is no difference, I think, sir, but there has to be some difference. I
Have
don't
you ever
know.
heard of a thing called Parmesan?
What's sir?
Parmesan? Have you
Yes,
ever
sir.
heard?
It is a type of cheese, I think so. So,
Okay. Okay, tell me, suppose you had Parmesan cheese with you
yes, sir.
and your mother says, cook it for me.
Yes, sir.
What are you going to do with it?
Sir, maybe I will try a pizza, sir. I have not cooked yet, but maybe I will try a pizza.
You try pizza.
Yes, sir.
You'll try pizza.
Sir, you're not audible, sir.
You will try pizza.
Yes, I will try pizza, sir. Yes, sir.
You know how to cook it.
Sir, I don't know the correct way, but I will find from the internet, sir.
Okay, good. And what else do you find on the internet?
Sir, basically, I'm studying on nowadays because of this Corona pandemic. I'm totally depend on internet, sir. I've do test on internet, lectures, and even I have refer Unacademy, YouTube. Even I've sometimes I used to see them different movies on that internet, sir. And even I have played some games on that, sir.
Okay. What did you find interesting in Unacademy?
So yeah, I'm preparing for NDA, so I have just take a 6 months course from Unacademy, sir.
How much money you paid for that?
So I paid from 5,468 rupees, sir.
Why did you come to me?
Sir,
Why did you come to me?
sir, it's for return, sir. Return, sir. Before this one, 2020, I have not referred any tutor for this one NDA, but because I was not able to clear this, so my father told me to refer some of the teacher educator for that, sir. So that's why I took it.
And okay, tell me, suppose you lack the quality of social adaptability.
Sir,
How would you try to inculcate in your mind as your preparation for this?
second come again, sir.
How will you inculcate the quality of social adaptability in you?
Yes, sir. Social activity. Sir, I will try to communicate as much as I can to people, like my friends or my family or my relatives, or maybe neighbors. And I will try to gain that quality in me, sir.
But you said communicate, I said adaptability.
Yes, sir.
Communication is all right.
Yes, sir. As I communicate, I will get the social activity. I will know each other, and I will get to know them as soon as possible, sir.
Okay, who are your best friends? They're in Ahmedabad or in Bangalore?
Sir, there are many best friends, but in Bangalore they are different. In Assam they are different because my father is in army, so I have been in 4 or 5 places, sir.
Which all places? Which school did you study all over?
Yes, sir. I will tell. I will soon. Sir, I have started my education from KV number 1 Tanga Valley, Arunachal Pradesh. I have done my nursery, LKG, UKG, and first from there, and then I went to Udhampur, KV number 1 Udhampur, Can. Then I have studied class 2 to 4. Then I went to Meerut Can, in which I have studied KB Punjab lines. I studied till 4 to 7, and then I went to Assam. Assam I have studied from KV number 1 AFS Jorhat from 7th to 9th, sir. And then I get shifted to Bangalore, sir.
What is so special about Jorhat?
Sir, Jorhat, there is a command hospital. Sir, Jorhat is in command hospital, Jorhat is in Assam, sir. It is also famous for tea, sir. Chai
And
bagan.
what is so famous about Meerut?
Meerut, sir. Meerut is where Mangal Pandey started the revolution, sir. 1857 revolution, sir.
Which place did he start?
Sir,
Which place did he start in Meerut?
sir, I don't know the particular place, but I know that in Meerut he started that revolution, sir.
Did you hear of something called Kali Mandir?
Yes, sir. It is near the Dogra line, sir. We have another KV Dogra line there is a Carly only, sir.
So what's the name of your dad?
Sir, my father's name is Mr. Suresh Kumar Solanki, sir.
If he's an ASC, how is he Mr.?
Sir,
If he's serving an ASC,
yes, sir.
how is he Mr.?
Sir, as my sir told me that I have to respect my father. So I am respecting my father, so I should write my father's name as Mr.
The father is not serving in the army.
Sir, he is serving in army, sir.
How are people in the army called?
Sir, by the rank, sir. By the rank, sir.
And why are you calling him Mr.?
So I don't want to take any benefit from army, sir.
What benefit will you get from the army?
Not like sir benefit, but I want to be like a normal.
You know, being army is abnormal.
It's normal, sir.
Being army is abnormal.
Yeah, I am a dependent. I am not dependent on my father, but in my official documents, and I write in that I write Mr. Suresh Kumar Solanki. That's why I remember as Mr. Suresh Kumar Solanki.
If you write Mr. Suresh Kumar Solanki, you will not get admission in any of the schools you talked about.
Sir,
You will not get admission in any of the schools you talked about. So what's the rank of your father?
sir, Subidar, sir.
You
Subidar,
have to say,
Subidar
you have to
Solanki.
say, you have to say Subedar Solanki. You can't say Mr. That is you're insulting your father.
Sir,
Why do you think it is a must that your father should be called Subedar?
sir,
Am I not audible or what is the problem?
sir, there is net issue, sir. Net issue, sir.
Others can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aren't you insulting your father by calling him Mr. So-and-so?
No, sir. I don't think so. I'm insulting, sir.
You are insulting. It is the President of India who gives his ranks to all people in the army. And your father is a JCO, Junior Commission. His parchment is signed by President himself.
Yes, sir.
Until the day he dies, he will be called Subedar, a Subedar Major, or honorary captain if he gets promoted. So by you calling him Mr., you are insulting him. You are making him a man on the street in a civil line and not a soldier. You are insulting him.
Okay, sir. After that, from afterwards, I will not insult him. So I will tell him as Subidar Suresh Kumar Solanki, sir.
So tell me something about your father, his unit, and what do you know about ASC?
Yes, sir. So from starting, I will tell my father is come from a very poor family, village family. He's done his MBA and BA from Gujarat University, and he get into an army as ASC Corps in 1997. Yes, sir. And ASC is a corps. It is established in 1760 as a service corps in a Royal Indian Army. It was a part of a East India Company. Then it got in 1950 on 8th of December. On 8th of December by President Zakir Hussain. They got first president's color. From that day, they are.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Yogesh, comments.
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, he is confident about all the points, but about the paneer and about the cheese point, he पता नहीं था उनके बारे में डिफरेंस पता होना चाहिए उसको एंड वो एक समय के लिए क्वाइट हो गया एंड यू शुड नॉट बी क्वाइट while answering for 1 second with you quiet for 5 to 6 seconds. You should not take a pause in between and directly you should say if you don't know that sir, I don't know and I will tell you in the conference sir. And second thing your father rank should be like you said that Mr. you should say that Subedar Suresh Solanki.
Okay.
Are you ashamed of your father being a Subedar?
No, sir, not at all, sir. I'm very proud of him. Proud of my father, sir.
Who's the chief of air staff today?
Chief of Air Staff, sir.
Yeah.
Chief of Air Staff is sir Rakesh Kumar Bhadoria, sir.
Mr. Rakesh Kumar Bhadoria.
Mr. What, sir?
Mr. Rakesh Kumar Bhadoria,
Yes, sir. Mr. Rakesh Kumar Bhadoria, sir.
you again insulting him like you insulted your father.
Yes, sir. Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Bhadoria.
And who's his father?
Sir, I know about this, sir. I don't have knowledge about it, sir.
His father is a retired warrant officer from Air Force. And warrant officer is equivalent to whom?
Sir, warrant officer is equal to Subedar, sir.
Yes. So you should be proud of your dad.
Sir.
Not feeling bad about it.
No, sir, I'm not at all feeling bad, sir.
Have you ever heard of army chief called Ved Malik?
Yes, sir. Yeah, Malik, sir, I know that, sir. Sir, he was the army chief during the Kargil war, sir.
What's his name?
Sir?
What's his name?
Sir, General VP Malik, sir. VPN Malik, sir.
Who was his father?
Maybe some retired army officer, sir.
Retired Subedar from Ordnance.
Sir.
Okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
they're chiefs. So do not say that if your father is Subedar, you have to hide him as Mr.
Sir.
Whatever you're getting today from the army is because of that gentleman's hard work.
Sir.
You get so many privileges from the army. Isn't it?
Sir.
Okay, Ritik, comments.
And sir, one more point that उसने ऐसे बोला कि I don't want to take any advantage from that, इसलिए मैं मेरे पापा के नाम के आगे ये सूबेदार नहीं लगाना चाहता. You should not say it like that. It will be totally negative. क्योंकि तुम पहले से मिलिट्री स्कूल में कब से पढ़ रहे हो और बाद में तुम ऐसे बोल दोगे कि I don't want to take any advantage.
Okay. Okay, Ritik.
Yes, sir. Sir, Mayur Singh confused when you asked about the paneer, what we call paneer in English. On that time, he got silent.
Can you tell me what we call paneer in English?
Sir, may I?
Yeah.
Sir, cheese.
No, cheese is something different.
Sir, I know about that one.
We should all know it is cottage cheese.
Which, sir?
Okay. Cottage cheese. Cottage होती है ना? झोंपड़ी.
Yes, sir, cottage cheese.
झोंपड़ी वाला cheese.
Yes,
Rest
sir.
of the cheese, what you see in Europe, there are so many varieties of cheese, hundreds of varieties, and that is not the one which you consume. Yours is different. So
Yes,
to make
sir.
a distinction, it's called cottage cheese. Pehle we used to say cheese only, but then in India, mein those other varieties of cheese came, and that is how we started calling it cottage cheese. Okay, now tell me what are the other points.
And sir, first thing, and sir, all face expression was good, sir. At the end, and
Lokesh, your points.
Yes, sir. Sir, already you mentioned that sir father name did not mention he anywhere. Second, sir, initially he looking right and left, sir, while answering questions. Then, sir, his listening problem. Many time he asks, sorry, sir. But some good points also with him, sir. He is very speaking soundly. Each and everything he answered the question. He has a sound knowledge, and he is confident, sir.
That is because he studied in army school, the Kendriya Vidyalayas, which are next to the army. That is why he is confident.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about his eye movements?
I mentioned that, sir. He looking right, left, and above sometime. 1 or 2 times, sir.
What about
Yeah,
his
while
lip? What about his lip movements?
Many times, sir, lip movement also, sir. Because of he remember things.
Okay, Jatin.
Yes, sir. So firstly, you also included about the father's name. So secondly, sir, he was also confident, and the eye movement, and also, as he said, due to the network problem, there is the listening problem also, sir.
Okay, Rishikesh.
Sir, I think that
Rishikesh has a problem. Meanwhile, Akshay.
Yes, sir. Initially, he started that word as you know, this should not be used. Second thing, he mentioned the strength. He said that his family and friends is the strength of him. He should be, he should have some strength, as you told about us. And other than he is confident about it, but eye movement is very fluctuating, and voice is quite good, sir.
And what have I taught you about the eye movement, Akshay?
Yes, sir. You told about the if you move your eyes on right, upper right, then you are imagining something, or you try to imagining something and tell about it, which was your
I think. What will I think?
what, sir? You are lying. You are creating something content in your mind and telling at that moment.
So control your eye movements, Mayur.
Yes, sir.
Shreya. Not there. Raman.
So can I?
Yeah. Rishikesh, go ahead.
Sir,
You have a net problem here. Listen, guys. Today, the fiber broadband landline is costing only 800 rupees per month. If you are not willing to spend that money at your home, how will you go for SSB? What is the point if you are not able to take the instruction properly? I work day in and night out to refine material for you. Next course, which starts, I think, next Monday. If you all join there, you will be benefited a lot. But if you don't have the net, there's no point. Okay, Mayur, you got the points? Your lip movements, your eye movements, and चुप नहीं होना है.
Yes, sir.
And tell me one thing, when your father asks you a question, he says, did you go to, मान लो your father says, did you go to school today? So what you say? Yes, Papa, okay, I will tell you, yes, I did go to school. Do you say like this? Or you said I went to school?
Yes, I went to school, sir.
Yes बोलने की जरूरत है.
नहीं, sir.
Interviewing officer के सामने क्यों? Yes, sir, I will tell you, sir. When he asks you a question, you tell him. Why should you add that sentence? Yes, sir, I will tell you, sir.
Okay, sir.
And one more point, sir, I noticed that he is repeatedly saying sir like that.
Yeah. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. Once in a sentence, okay. But not again and again.
Okay, sir.
Is that point understood by everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And anybody from the armed forces has to be referred with the rank. Even if your father is a sepoy, say if he's an arty, say gunner, the infantry rifleman, armored corps sawar, whatever, ASC sepoy. You should not be ashamed of your this thing. That gentleman, even if he's a sepoy, he is working hard 24/7. He is sacrificing a lot of things, his personal thing for you, for the country. So he should be proud of having been associated to him. Okay, remember that. Never feel that a thing. An army gives you a lot of things. Whether you are a sepoy or you are a general, doesn't make a difference. Your DNA is the same. Yes, you have to work in a proper manner, in a hierarchical fashion. That is why you have these separations of ranks. That is the only purpose, because you have to save your motherland. Everybody can't be general, and everybody can't be only a sepoy. Why you people are coming to become an officer? Because you have to lead people. Why there is a special SSB for you? There is Yogesh. Yogesh, you went for the Bharti?
Yes, sir, I will go. Yes, sir, I will go for it on 8 February.
So what is the difference between Bharti and SSB? Why SSB is not there for Jawan also? That is because Jawan has to be led. Jawan के पास जो हौसला है, जो शक्ति है, जो power है, that has to be channelized against the enemy. That is why you are going for SSB and your psychometrics are being tested. those 15 OLQs, psychometrics, neuro-linguistic programming, that is what is being tested. That is what is being used. So that you don't fail. If you fail, all your jawans will fail. For no fault of theirs. जवान में कोई कमी नहीं है, उसकी ट्रेनिंग में कोई कमी नहीं है, उसका जोश में, उसकी पावर में, उसकी डिटर्मिनेशन में. It is the officer's coming which will fail him. That is why even if the success rate is only 4%, they are not ready to dilute the standards. I hope you all understand that.
Yes, sir.
Lokesh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, इनको बताओ क्या आर्मी के बारे में क्या क्या तरीका होता है.
ट्रेनिंग के बारे में सर.
Yeah.
Training schedule is very tough. Right from when you go to training center, 6 months is basic training, weapon training, physical training, and drill. There is very tough. Then after 6 months, you have advanced assault course, weapon training, and then after 1 year, you have a Sipahi. You get a Sipahi rank. Then after your trade training, particular training, whether you have driver, survey field, draftman, electrician, so many trades are, number of trades are there. Gunner,
कोई ऐसा कंफर्ट, कोई ऐसी प्रिविलेज या कंफर्ट है जो जवान को नहीं मिलती.
ऑल फैसिलिटी तो 100% मिलेगा आपको.
क्या क्या बताओ.
साइमल्टेनियसली टफ ट्रेनिंग भी मिलेगा उसके साथ साथ.
क्या बताओ फैसिलिटी क्या क्या.
फैसिलिटी आपको प्रॉपर कहीं भी रहो, यू विल गेट प्रॉपर टाइम टू टाइम ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर. कभी आपको लेट नहीं होगा. अब कहीं भी कितना भी दूर जा रहे हो टाइम से मिलेगा. हाइजीन सैनिटेशन 100% आपको हाइजीन एंड सैनिटेशन रखा जाएगा. अगर आपको थोड़ा भी चोट लगा तो 100% डॉक्टर एमआई रूम रहेगा, फिर मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल एज वेल एज कमांड हॉस्पिटल. फिर आपके साथ एक जेशो रहेंगे, एक ट्रेनिंग एनशो रहेंगे, एज वेल एज आप ऑफिसर भी रहेंगे आपके साथ आपका देखभाल के लिए. खाना तो आप घर में भी नहीं खाएंगे, इतना अच्छा खाना मिलेगा वहां पे. और
Okay,
कपड़े
Mayur.
मिलेगा.
Okay, Lokesh. Okay, Mayur, now that you heard everybody talking about you,
Yes, sir.
tell me what are your takeaways today.
Yes, sir. My takeaway is like, sir, even I am very upset about my lip movements, sir. As my lips get dry, I just started licking, sir. That lips and even the eye movements, sir.
Are you doing it right now?
Yes, sir.
You have to do something about it. What else? What else?
Yeah, sir. And even I don't have to, sir, yes, sir, and I all don't have to repeat, sir, in the sentence.
Okay, take care of these small points. I have no doubts that you will not make it. You will make it. Okay. Okay. Who's the next step?
Ritik, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Ritik is ready in front of you. What about his turnout? Watch him for 1 minute and then tell me. Okay, Mayur.
Sir, yeah, tie, sir. He's not at all wearing a tie, and the shirt is not at all pressed, sir. And even he is not properly shaved, and his hairs are also long, sir.
Okay, Lokesh. Okay, Lokesh, another. Jatin.
So firstly, sir, even if he is not wearing the tie, then the shoulder, or we can say that the neck or the collar of the tie or of the shirt is not proper. It should be a little bit closer, or he maybe tie the upper button, even if he's not wearing the tie. And also the hairs, and also a little bit beard.
Okay, Akshay. Okay, Ritik.
Yes,
What are problems with your dress?
sir. Tie, sir.
What else?
And I have not shaved my beard, sir.
The shirt is not fitting properly. Are you wearing your own shirt or your elder brother's shirt?
Yes, sir. It's my own.
Then why it is not fitting properly? Is it ready-made or you got it stitched?
No, sir. It's ready-made, sir.
That is why it is not fitting you properly. You don't make this mistake and you have to go on a tie.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have reason for that, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me, why do you think tie is more important?
No, sir.
Why do you
Sir, I used to live in Jalandhar, sir. I went to my village before starting starting all these classes, sir. That's why I'm not able to arrange it.
You're not able to arrange it? Why?
No, sir. No, sir. I went to my village, sir. Before I used to live in Jalandhar.
जलंधर में टाई नहीं मिलती है
Sir, मिलते हैं.
फिर
Sir, I don't. Sir, I went there before starting all these classes, sir.
okay, tell me, now you know what should be your uniform for the interview.
So, tie, shirt, and black pants, sir, and shoes.
Okay, Yogesh, tell him
Yes, sir.
what should he wear for interview and what colors, what matching shoes, belt, etc. Just tell
Okay,
him
sir.
because he did not attend the class because he was not there.
Okay, sir. Ritik, you should wear the light color shirt like white or sky blue, and the black pant or tie should be black or blue, and black belt and black trouser with black socks and black shoes only.
Okay,
Yes, I got it, sir.
light colored shirt, dark colored trouser. The color of the belt and the shoe should be same. It's either black or brown. Okay, not that black shoes and brown belt. If belt is brown, shoes should also be brown. If shoes are black, belt should also be black. And tie should be darker color. Okay? And
Yes, sir.
shirt should be properly fitting, properly pressed.
Yes, sir. I will take care of it, sir.
Okay, tell me about the place you belong to, your family, your school, your college, and your friends and your hobbies.
Yes, sir. So I used to belong from Gota, Gota district, Bidar, from Karnataka, sir, state Karnataka, and I used to live in Jalandhar, and I used to study in Sainik School, Kapurthala in Punjab, and in my family, my father, my mother, and I have two siblings, and my father is in army. He's posted in Jammu, Panchgaon, and his rank is Suida, and my mother is a homemaker, and she's very good art and craft. And my brother, my siblings are one studies in 10th class and another one studies in 6th class, and I'm studying in Sainik School, Kapurthala in 11th class, and my stream is science, and my hobbies are to making art and playing instruments, and that's it all, sir.
Abhi you're talking from where? Kapurthala, Karnataka or Jammu?
So I'm studying in I'm studying in Kapurthala, sir.
And now you're talking from where? Where are
So
you
I'm
now?
from Karnataka, sir.
Now you're in Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Why can't you get your internet right?
Sir, it's village, sir.
Your voice is
Sir, it's village, sir. That's
and you studied in Sainik School, Kapurthala,
yes, sir.
and yet you don't know what your dressing sense is. How can that be? I am also a Sainik School. I am also a Sainik School guy.
No, sir, I know about that, but I'm not.
And your father, what is he doing in Jammu?
Sir, he's posted in Panchgaon, sir.
Panchgaon.
Yes, sir.
Which unit?
Sir, 38 medium regiment, sir.
What's his name?
Sir, Subida Sangappa.
You should be able to say, you can't recall your brother, sisters, you're closing your eyes and thinking and speaking. And I told you, I gave you a heading. You must prepare beforehand, before you go for interview. And let IO ask you questions in whatever sequence he wants. Even if the sequence is different, answer is the same, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Why should you get perturbed about that? And you're a Sainik School chap. Not even army school or central school.
Yes, sir.
Then, okay, Jatin, your comment.
Yes, sir. So firstly, sir, he is using the word used to very frequently, and sir, also his eye movement, as you already told, and sir, we have already discussed about the dressing. So that's all, sir.
Okay, Lokesh.
Yes, sir. First of all, the point is that you asked about that टाई नहीं मिलती तो इसने हिंदी में ही जवाब दे दिया नहीं मिलती सर. He should speak in English only while the interviewing is speaking in Hindi. And second point is father's name and mother's name he did not mention in the criteria you asked the rapid fire question. He only mentioned the rank and the occupation of both father and mother, sir.
Okay. Okay, Ritik, you understood whatever you've been told?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will ask you to speak for 2 minutes now and make sure that none of the problems are there. And you will speak about, you said your father is in 69 medium regiment?
No, sir. 338 medium regiment, sir.
Which one?
Sir, 338 medium regiment.
338 medium regiment is Bofors, isn't it?
What, sir?
Bofors.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell us something about Bofors in next 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is a big gun. Its full name is 155 mm Bofors big gun, and its range is for 40 kilometers, and it works on a projectile motion. And it's all, sir.
See, you did not know what does your father, when he gets up in the morning, first thing he praises on that gun.
Yes,
The
sir.
moment he goes next to the gun, he salutes him, and you don't know nothing about that gun. You are unlike a Sainik school chap, I'm telling you. You have to improve a lot. Whatever is around you, make sure you know it and you prepare it.
Yes,
I've given you the heading. You haven't prepared them at all. No, you come for the interview as though it was a Satyanarayan ki katha. बिल्कुल prepare नहीं किया. Sainik school guy means 98% chances of getting through to NDA. And you are doing the other way around. Just because you are casual. I've told you, I told everyone, every one of you, I gave the heading. Parents, family, school, college, work, friends, hobbies, interests. So these are the headings. You have to prepare them in advance. And let him ask in whatever order he wants to ask. Okay, tell me, where is Panchgam? What's so special about Panchgam?
yes, sir. It's sir. It is situated at a border, sir, and it is a snowfalling area, and it is a little, sir. It is little village.
Ritik, you are constructing and saying the eye movement is telling you're telling a lie. You do not know. You haven't asked your dad, where is Panchgam? Panchgam. Panchgam, what is so special? There's something very special next to Panchgam. What is that?
Sir, he's posted before some 3 months only, sir. That's
Where was he posted before this?
sir, Jalandhar Kent.
Huh?
Jalandhar Kent, sir.
Jalandhar Kent.
Yes, sir.
Was he posted out or his unit moved?
Yes, sir.
Was he posted out or his
Unit move, sir.
you are known about Bofors? Who is the commanding officer of this unit?
Sir, Colonel Suninder Pali, sir.
Ritik, you need to work a lot. You are just not aware of your surroundings. You're not careful about the instructions that are given to you, how to prepare for interview. You did not come properly dressed. Had you been from some local school in some village, I would have understood. Sainik school guy cannot make this mistake. Did you complete your full term in Sainik school or you were there just for 1 year?
No, sir, I'm still there.
You're still there? Which class are you
Yes,
in?
sir. Sir, I'm in 11th, sir.
And you still 1 year to go,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
So make sure you improve.
Yes, sir. I will make it, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't just today you put up a very bad show. You have to bounce back.
Yes, sir. I
And you
will, sir.
bounce back because you are from Sanic school. Okay? Sanic schools today are contributing maximum. When I joined, for my class, only 2 guys could be selected. But today, there are 20 guys in my class, 25. Make sure that you don't get left behind. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will take care of it, sir.
Okay. Any other general question anybody has? Any doubt? Jatin?
No, sir.
Yogesh?
No, sir.
Mukesh?
No, sir.
Okay, then we call it off. And Jatin, your session was to, one-to-one session was to start now, but we will start at 6. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All the best. Thank you.
Jain, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jain, sir.